Hello guys. Almost all of us have heard about Einstein's special theory of relativity. It's totally fantastic and sets the mind into a whirl. But it is not that. It is very hard to understand, or what we call the rocket science. It is very basic theory based on simple observations. The theory has basically two postulates. The first one says that the laws of physics behave same in all the inertial reference frames, which could be understood by the statement that when we are on an inertial reference frame which is moving at a uniform speed, irrespective of the frame that we are considering, the laws of physics will be same for us. Now, this could be explained by this experiment. Suppose here is a ball, and let's see the laws of physics behaving on this ball when we are on the inertial frame of reference of the earth. So, it could be said that nothing's happening to the ball. Now, let us see the laws of physics behaving on any other inertial reference frame. Physics behaving on the inertial frame of reference of the bike when the bike moves with a constant speed. So, it could be said that the laws of physics behave the same on all inertial reference frames, as in this inertial reference frame of the bike, the laws of physics behaving on earth were same as it is on the bike. That is, the ball is at rest until the bike changes its speed or suddenly stops. So, this was the first postulate of the special theory of relativity, and it could be understood that in any inertial reference frame, the law of physics would be same until the frame changes its speed or suddenly stops. Now, coming to the second postulate, it says that light travels at a constant speed of about 186,000 miles per second, irrespective of the speed of the observer and the speed of the source of light. Well, this could be explained by a very simple fact that suppose two persons, Adam and Eve, go to space with their respective spaceships. Adam's spaceship is at rest with respect to Earth, and Eve's spaceship is traveling at the rate of about 176,000 miles per second. And Adam emits a super strong beam of light. So, what will be the speed that both Adam and Eve will see light traveling at? The answer to this question is that both Adam and Eve will see light traveling at the rate of about 186,000 miles per second. And this is a strange but true fact. And since we know that the motion between objects is relative, so if not speed, then what is the fact that is relative? The fact here that is relative is time. Yes. As we know, speed equals distance by time. So, for speed to be constant, distance and time should increase by the same amount. And when we approach the speed of light, time for us becomes slow, where it can be said that time for us dilates, and so as all the reactions and metabolic activities in our bodies become slow to that extent. So it could be said that for Eve, time has dilated and Eve has contracted in length. And Eve will pass 1 year, then Adam would have passed a decade or a century. Now, as we approach the speed of light, time for us slows down. So this could be explained by this graph, such as the speed and time graph. Here, speed is in the x-axis, time in the y-axis. And as we know, as speed increases, time becomes slow. So when a particle matches the speed of light, the time for it will stop. And when a particle crosses the speed of light, time for it will go back. That is, the particle could travel to the past, making time travel possible. So this was the second postulate of the special theory of relativity, and it could be used to make a time machine, thus making possible time travel.